Hello guys, welcome to another session of learning with prep class. I am BC and I am a prep class tutor. In this video, I'll be solving questions 61 to 65 of the AKWA Prevocational Studies Agricultural Science for the year 2015. Have you subscribed to this channel? If you haven't, do so right now to get access to more videos like this that will help you in preparation for your exams. Okay, so let's begin. The first question in this video is question 61, and it says the main source of power for subsistence agriculture is dash: A. Animal, B. Machine, C. Electricity, D. Man. So which of these options is correct? So the question is, what is the main source of power for subsistence agriculture? First of all, we need to know the meaning of subsistence agriculture. This is the practice of growing crops and raising livestock sufficiently only for one's own use without any surplus for trade. So this means that subsistence agriculture is for the farmer's consumption and that of his family. Okay, so it's a small scale agriculture. So the main source of power for subsistence agriculture is man. Okay, so it's not animal, it's not machine, and it's not electricity. This is because it's not on a large scale. It's not producing on a large scale, it's producing for himself and his family. Okay, so the main source of power for subsistence agriculture is man. So the correct option is option D. Question 62. The most suitable source of power for standing equipment on the farm is dash: A. Machine, B. Electricity, C. Animal, D. Man. Okay, so it's not machine, it's not animal, and it's not man. The answer is electricity. Electricity is used to operate farm machineries and farm equipment. Okay, so the most suitable source of power for standing equipment on the farm is electricity. So the correct option here is option B, electricity. Okay, so question 63. An important farm machine used for coupling many implements is dash: A. Disc harrow, B. Harvester, C. Tractor, D. Plow. So we need to know the meaning of each of these options for us to be able to get the answer to this question. Okay, so the first option is disc harrow. What's a disc harrow? A disc harrow is an agricultural implement that is used to till the soil where the crops are to be planted. It is used to chop up unwanted weeds or crop remains. Okay, what about harvester? From the name harvester, it is a machine that is created for effectively harvesting crops in the fields. Okay, then tractor is a powerful motor vehicle with large rear wheels used on farms for hauling and coupling farm implements. So it is used to pull farm implements. So that means that tractor is the answer. So tractor is used for hauling and coupling farm implements. Tractor is used to join and pull farm implements. So that's what hauling and coupling farm implements mean. So tractor is the answer here. But before we answer the question, let's find out the meaning of the last option, which is plow. Plow is a farm tool for loosening or turning the soil before sowing seed or planting. Okay, so now the answer here is tractor. An important farm machine used for coupling many implements is tractor. So the correct option is option C, tractor. Okay, now 64. Which of the following farm practice is not mechanized? A. Planting, B. Fertilizer application, C. Bush clearing, D. Transplanting. Machines can be used for planting, machines can be used for fertilizer application, machines can be used for bush clearing. Machines are also used for transplanting, but using machines for transplanting is limited. Okay, so this is why transplanting is not really mechanized. Here are some of the reasons for transplanting not being mechanized. The first one is that the seedlings must be planted while still very young, and this makes machine transplanting a more suitable method only in irrigated areas. Okay, so this is a limitation of mechanized transplanting. Another one is that there must be special nursery management. Okay, so special nursery management is needed. You need mat nursery and seedling trays, which makes it so expensive. Okay, then transplanting machines and its maintenance are expensive, so that's another limitation. Then another one is that there are problems in poorly prepared and leveled land or with poorly designed machines. Okay, so this is the reason why transplanting is not mechanized. Okay, so the correct option here is option D, transplanting. Planting, fertilizer application, and bush clearing are mechanized, but transplanting is not mechanized. Okay, so the correct option here is option D, transplanting. Now, question 65. The following are necessary operations in maize cultivation except dash. A. Weeding. B. Thinning. C. Nursery practices. D. Fertilizer application. So, which of the following options is correct? First of all, what is weeding? Weeding is the removal of unwanted plants. Okay, so weeding is a necessary operation in maize cultivation. So, thinning is the removal of excess plants for the growth of others. So thinning is also a necessary operation in maize cultivation. Fertilizer application. Fertilizer application is the addition of nutrients to aid the growth of plants. This is also a necessary operation in maize cultivation. But nursery practices is not necessary in maize cultivation. A nursery is a place where young plants are grown to a desired age before planting them on the field. Okay, so this is not a necessary operation in maize cultivation. All the other options, weeding, thinning, and fertilizer application, are necessary. Okay, they are necessary, but nursery practices is done, but it is not necessary. Okay, so the correct option here is nursery practices. The following are necessary operations in maize cultivation: weeding, thinning, and fertilizer application. But nursery practices is not a necessary operation in maize cultivation. So the correct option here is option C, nursery practices. I hope you enjoyed this video and you're able to learn a lot. Please don't forget to like and comment on this video. Also subscribe to this channel to get access to more videos like this that will help you in preparation for your exams. Till I come your way next time. Bye.